Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious guacamole without cilantro. First, gather your ripe avocados, a small red onion, and 2 Roma tomatoes. You will also need 1 jalapeno, a fresh lime, and some salt and pepper to taste. These simple, fresh ingredients are the foundation for a flavorful dip, ensuring a delightful experience even without the traditional herb. Let's get started on this easy recipe. To achieve a similar fresh and vibrant taste without cilantro, consider some excellent alternatives. Finely chopped fresh parsley offers a bright, green flavor that complements the avocado beautifully. For an earthy warmth, a small pinch of ground cumin can make a big difference. You might also try a dash of smoked paprika to add a subtle, savory depth and a lovely color to your guacamole. These additions ensure your dip is rich in flavor. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by halving and pitting your ripe avocados, then scoop the creamy flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Use a fork to mash the avocado to your preferred consistency, whether you like it smooth or a bit chunky. Next, finely dice the red onion, Roma tomatoes, and jalapeno, making sure to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. These small pieces will blend perfectly into the mashed avocado. Once your guacamole is mixed and seasoned to perfection, it's best enjoyed immediately. Serve it alongside crispy tortilla chips, or use it as a delicious topping for your favorite tacos, burritos, or salads. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface of the guacamole to minimize air exposure and keep it fresh for up to 2 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.